Boom Racer here. Since the last video, I've spent some time getting the wing put together for the big P-40 build from Parkflyer Plastics, so I'll just jump right into what's been done so far. The original plans call for Robart retracts, but I modified the plans a bit to allow for a smaller retract unit and to allow me to avoid cutting the main spar. The plans were then transferred to 2 sheets of model airplane foam, and the spars and ribs were attached using Gorilla Glue. Pushrod guides for the flaps were installed, as well as wiring tubes, and I also installed the equipment for the Spectrum telemetry pitot tube that will be installed in the left wing. Before sheeting the top, I pushed a toothpick through the foam and marked the lower surface so I'll be able to accurately locate the cutouts for the gear mounts and flaps that will get cut in later. The wing was then laid out carefully, ensuring that the washout was correct and the top sheets were applied. After trimming the top sheeting, the leading edges were attached, the aileron cutouts and trailing edges were then balsa lined. The wingtips were rough shaped and attached, and the bays were cut out and lined for the servos. I assembled the ailerons, which are built using a traditional balsa construction, and then used those to align and install the 1/64 inch ply sheets that cover the hinge gap. A hardpoint was installed for the pitot tube, and balsa was wet shaped and attached to the wingtips for dent and ding protection. So the advertised wingspan is right on, and when I was satisfied with the shaping, I went ahead and applied 2 layers of half-ounce glass. Now that the wing is this far along, I can start to tackle the wing saddle area and get the fuse ready for glass. There's still a fair amount of work to do on the wings with the landing gear and split flaps, but I'll tackle that in a later video. Thanks for watching.